So what renovations will be happening in the school this summer, Mr. Gao?
Well, we have two major projects planned. At this point in time, we'll be making the front of the school more noticeable in terms of where our people in our community and so on need to access our school. So the front doors will be more pronounced, and so there'll be a lot of renovations happening there. And then also, we're going to make our school accessible, such that we're going to have an elevator that will service all 4 levels and 3 floors. The first project, maybe I'll tell you a bit of detail about, happens to be the front entrance to the front doors. When we moved the entrance from down near the auditorium to where we are now, near the library, as a result, people have had difficulty actually finding us. And so we do have a temporary sign now on the front lawn, but what you will notice in the fall, and the construction that will happen this summer, is that we'll have like a large canopy and some signage, and the building will actually be extended out toward the street a little bit. And this will make it really obvious that these are the front doors of the school, and this is, of course, where people should access us from. So during that time, while that work is going on, as a result, the power and various other things will be disconnected in our offices and learning commons. And so while that construction is going on, we're going to actually move from PDCI over to the Stewart School. We will be at the Stewart School from June 29th until August 21st. So if there are people out in the community, students, whoever that want to access us, you can visit us at the Stewart School, and we'll be housed in the staff room. And that's generally speaking about the construction that will be happening at the front of the school, and hopefully we'll make it a nice welcoming atmosphere for people to our building.
Where's this elevator going to go?
We're going to have an elevator that is housed more or less down near the Mason Auditorium. It's going to be nice in the sense that we're going to have an elevator that will be able to serve all 3 floors, and of which there are 4 levels. And so our school will be completely accessible. So if you were to start on the first floor, right near the fitness room, near the end of the fitness room will be where the elevator will serve the first floor. On the second floor, you'll find that the elevator will empty out into the hallway across from the auditorium. And then on the third floor, you'll find that the elevator will be accessed near room 311. So as a result, that elevator will serve all of the floors, and we're looking forward to having our building accessible for students and staff in the community. One aspect about the elevator is that it is complex construction. It is about a $1 million project, and certainly during the summer months, a lot of the work will take place in preparing the elevator shaft. And now, in terms of the actual workings and actually getting the elevator in operation, we're not sure yet if it will be in full operation in September or a couple of months afterwards, but certainly the target date is for September for the elevator to be fully operable, but certainly there may be complications. The elevator will hold about 2 people, so it's not like something you would have typically in a hotel where it would hold 10 people or in an apartment building. Typically it's meant for about 2 people, such that perhaps someone can help someone else who happens to be in a wheelchair. So looking ahead to next year, we're looking forward to having our building accessible for all people. We're also looking forward to having a front door and an area that's welcoming for new people, and we'll look forward to having PDCI ready for another great school year in 2015-2016.